we all know that classroom management at the end of the year can be a little bit hairy. So let me share one of my favorite apps that I use for just that. The app is called Doceri, and you need to start by downloading it onto your iPad and opening it up and doing the same with your desktop. So you're just going to click on it and open the already installed application, which is free. Then I'm going to connect to the computer, and as you can see, I've already connected to a couple computers before, but the first time you connect, you can either use the special code or you can just scan the QR code, and it will link your device to your desktop. Once you've done that once, you can just click it and it automatically connects. Now, as you can see, everything on my iPad's on my desktop and everything on the desktop is on the iPad. And when you click on your iPad, it controls the desktop. So this means that anything you have on your computer, a slide deck, music, presentations, icons, programs, you can now control them from anywhere in the room using your iPad. It's great for classroom management. It allows me to roam the room. It allows me to do centers at my guided reading table. And anything that I click or move or adjust on my iPad will control my computer up in the front of the room. Be sure to follow for more teacher tips.